morning, students. This is the seventh video of the chapter Electoral Politics. And in this video, we are going to discuss a subtopic, popular participation. So far in the last video, we discussed about the role of Election Commission and their specific functions. Now in this video, we will try to analyze the quality of election process. The question is how the quality of election process can be analyzed. It can be analyzed in another way, and that is popular participation. It means that in any election, if the participation of voters is more, then that election can be termed as successful election. So the question may arise that how can you tell that in this particular election maximum number of voters have participated or they cast their vote? So we are going to discuss about the popular participation one by one, and after that we will also discuss how to increase the voters' participation in election. So in this video, first of all, we are going to discuss about popular participation. So here it is written that how we can analyze that in the particular election the participation of voters is more. We can analyze it by going through voter turnout figures. You may have heard that in a particular election the percentage is 65 or 51. So here it tells you that how many actually voters from that constituency or from a particular area they actually cast their vote. So basically through voters turnout, the Election Commission of India will get knowledge about that particular area and about the number of voters. And maximum number of voter turnout means maximum number of people participated in the election. Now second point. It's a very interesting fact that in India, poor illiterate, they vote in large proportion as compared to rich or educated person. It is an interesting fact that in our country, poor person are more interested in voting pattern, in voting system. It may happen that from your house or from our house, very few person will go and cast their vote. But if you are going to watch the activities of the poor person or literate person, they are more active in election. They are very proactive during election, and they generally prefer to participate in the election. But in America, the trend is different. In Canada, the trend is different. In that country, particularly in America, the rich person are more interested in voting pattern, in voting system. And poor person are not so interested. But in our country, opposite system is there. It is a quite interesting thing. And it means that the popular participation, it means that in the election the participation of the common person is more, because in our country poor are more, so automatically if they are going to involve in the election, if they are going to participate in the election, it means that the participation is more. So overall percentage will become more. Now third one, common people attach a lot of importance to election because they know that through election they can choose their representative, and representative are going to form the policies, and ultimately the policies will be meant for the ordinary public or common man. So that is why people feel more interest in choosing their representative, and that is why they participate in large number in the election. So third point is very clear that common people, which it also means that they attach a lot of importance to election. What does it mean? It also means that they give more importance. They give more importance to election system because they are knowing the fact that through the election we can change our fate. Through the election we can change our system. Through the election we can frame new laws. So this is why the people are participating more and more in election. But still, if we are going to analyze the total percentage, you will find that the percentage is quite low as compared to other countries. If I am going to compare the data of India with America or Canada or Switzerland, then we will find that we are lagging behind in terms of popular participation in election. So that is why Election Commission of India and time to time various committees have recommended that various steps can be taken to increase the voters' participation in the election. So here we can see the various points have been written. One by one I am going to discuss. So what are those points? First point is written here that various clubs, electoral clubs or model illiteracy clubs can be established in institutions, in colleges, and effort is going on to establish this institution. So what is the task of such type of club in the institution or colleges? Generally they are going to give training to the new voters or to the young voters to understand the importance of vote. So that is why the club is going to be established in colleges, because in colleges youth are coming, and once youth will take the command in their hand, they may come and cast their vote in maximum number. That is why nowadays effort is going on that club should be established in colleges to train them for the election. Now next point is also valid. Next is written here that door-to-door campaign by Jivika workers. In Bihar we all know that Jivika workers are very active. They are going to do all the things to uproot the poverty, to uplift the downtrodden people. So apart from that, they are also working to increase the participation of voters, and that is why they are during election they are going to perform door-to-door campaign in order to attract maximum participant for the voting process. Now third point is also very interesting, use of celebrity. You may have seen that during election the celebrities are coming from different segments of society. They are also coming from films or media, and they are trying to attract the voters towards a particular political party. So basically they are going to increase the interest of voters in the election system. So they are also utilized to increase the participation of ordinary men in the election. More participation, more successful election. Next one is fourth point, digital campaign. Nowadays digital with the increasing role of information technology, digital campaign is also organized. We all are using mobile phone, we all are using internet, we all are using different type of new technology. So basically the election or the people who are related with the election system, they are also using such technique to increase the participation of voters. That is why on your mobile phone you may get the message or phone, or on your social media you may have seen that the particular political party is going to target you towards their political agenda or towards their ideology. Last one, it is very interesting. The last fifth point is the last point, and that is quite interesting. That is NOTA. The full form is none of the above. Now, Election Commission of India, they decided to introduce a new system, a new button, that was NOTA. If you are not satisfied with any of the participants, with any of the contestants, then you can press that button. Suppose 4 contestants are there in your area from your constituency, and you are not satisfied at all with the performances of all the 4 contestants, then you can press the NOTA button. So basically, if the NOTA button is there, then it is also going to attract the participant. Why? Because participant will know that if I am going to press the NOTA button, it will send the clear and loud message that we are not happy with any of the participants. So participants will have to change their way, and the political party will also have to change the contestant. They should give tickets to the honest contestant. So NOTA is also another option that is going to attract the more participants, and more participants will press the button in order to show to the political parties that they are not satisfied with their performance. So basically these are the ways to increase popular participation in the election. And in India it is going on a massive scale with the help of various officers dignitaries. So you'll have to understand, first we discussed today what is popular participation in the election, and after that how we can increase the popular participation in the election. Thank you so much.